When your Bose Wave Radio remote stops responding, the most common culprit is the battery. Let's start with the simplest and most effective fix. Replace the battery with a new CR2032 or DL2032 3-volt lithium battery. Weak batteries are the most frequent cause of remote failure. Critical step: make sure the plus symbol on the battery faces up when installing. Incorrect polarity will prevent the remote from working. If replacing the battery doesn't solve the problem, the issue is likely with the infrared sensor communication. The remote communicates with the radio using infrared light. Ensure a clear line of sight between the remote and the radio's sensor. Remove any obstructions, avoid direct sunlight, clean the radio's display with a dry cloth, and shield from bright LED lamps which can interfere with the signal. Here's a simple way to test if your remote is actually working. Use your smartphone camera to test the remote. Point the remote at your phone's camera and press any button. You should see an infrared light flash on your phone screen if the remote is working. If these steps don't resolve the issue, try a basic system reset. Unplug the radio from power for a few minutes, then plug it back in. This basic reset can resolve communication issues between the remote and radio. These 4 steps solve most remote issues. Replace the battery with correct polarity, ensure clear line of sight, test with your smartphone camera, and try a basic reset. If these don't work, you may need advanced troubleshooting or a replacement remote. When basic troubleshooting fails, it's time to look inside the remote itself. Internal inspection can reveal corroded battery contacts or other damage that prevents proper operation. Look for corroded battery contacts, which appear as white or green buildup on the metal terminals. Clean these contacts carefully with isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab to restore proper electrical connection. For more advanced users, some Bose Wave radio issues can be fixed by replacing electrolytic capacitors on the main circuit board. This repair requires soldering skills and should only be attempted by those comfortable with electronics work. If all buttons on your remote stop working simultaneously, this typically indicates a complete remote failure rather than individual button problems. This is a clear sign that replacement is necessary. When replacement becomes necessary, you have several options. You can purchase a replacement remote directly from Bose for guaranteed compatibility. Online retailers like eBay and Walmart offer compatible remotes at lower prices. These third-party options can be cost-effective, but verify compatibility with your specific wave radio model. Universal remotes with learning capabilities offer another solution. These can be programmed to mimic your original Bose remote functions, providing a versatile replacement option. If you're uncomfortable with do-it-yourself repairs or internal inspection, contact a qualified electronics repair technician. Professional service ensures safe handling and proper diagnosis of complex issues.